Facing with G1. Drilling with cycle G84. Roughing with cycle G81. The G81 cycle is used in the same way for internal roughing. For external finishing, radius compensation on the right is activated with G42 and the contour from the roughing cycle is repeated with G23. Interior is done in the same way as exterior, except that here the chisel moves to the left of the contour and therefore G41 must be programmed. Thread turning with cycle G31 and with the core hole diameter as reference dimension in X. 2 radial grooves with G86 and chamfers at the groove opening. After reclamping, we start again with facing and a C-plate. Finishing is on the first page with a V-plate and outside with G42. This is followed by internal machining again, and an external thread, again with G31.